Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet, a powerful cloud-based spreadsheet application. I've been using Smartsheet for a while now, and I've found it to be an incredibly useful tool for managing projects and tasks. One of the things I love about Smartsheet is that it automatically saves your work as you go. This means that you never have to worry about losing your data, even if your computer crashes or your internet connection goes down. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable automatic saving in Smartsheet, as well as how to use other features that can help you keep your data safe. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to define what automatic saving is. Automatic saving is a feature that automatically saves your work at regular intervals. This means that if you're working on a document and you accidentally close it or your computer crashes, you won't lose your work. Now that we know what automatic saving is, let's take a look at how to enable it in Smartsheet. Step 1. Open Smartsheet. Step 2. Click on the File menu. Step 3. Select Settings. Step 4. Click on the General tab. Step 5. Enable the Auto Save option. Once you've enabled automatic saving, Smartsheet will automatically save your work every few minutes. This means that you can be sure that your data is safe, even if you're working on a large project or if you're making a lot of changes to your spreadsheet. In addition to automatic saving, Smartsheet also offers a number of other features that can help you keep your data safe. These features include version history. Smartsheet keeps track of all the changes that you make to your spreadsheet. This means that you can easily revert back to a previous version if you make a mistake. Collaboration. Smartsheet allows you to collaborate with other people on your spreadsheets. This means that you can share your work with others and get feedback on your work. Backup and recovery. Smartsheet automatically backs up your data to the cloud. This means that you can access your data from anywhere, even if your computer crashes or is stolen. Smartsheet is a powerful cloud-based spreadsheet application that offers a number of features that can help you keep your data safe. In this video, I've shown you how to enable automatic saving in Smartsheet, as well as how to use other features that can help you keep your data safe. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching.